Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to look at these iPhone, all of the different colors, iPhone 12 leather sleeve cases. And actually these ones are for the iPhone 12 mini. I was trying to get some for the 12 and the 12 Pro Max, but there weren't any available in these configurations. So these cases ran me $129, which to me is ridiculous. It's a crazy price for the value and functionality. But yeah, without any further ado, let's see what we get inside the box, and or should I say boxes. Let's go. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have all the different colors here. We have the Travis Scott brown, we have the product red. I'm not sure, I think this is a new color right here. Let's see what this is. This is the pink citrus and the Baltic blue. I was calling this ballistic. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox one of them, and then we'll speed through the rest. So I'm interested to see what the red looks like. I don't know, I just love red. So let's take a look at the red first. Here we go. So this is the back of the box. It just shows us that we get this lanyard, easily to pull out, and yeah, that's basically it. Let's unbox. All right, there we go. Doesn't it look like those Among Us characters? But here we go. We have the red leather. Actually feels nice. Oh, it's super thin. Okay, put that to the side right there. We have this protective film on top. Nothing too serious. Inside we have designed by Apple California. Apple stickers. No, nope, no Apple stickers. But here's the lanyard we get, which we could wrap around. Let's open this lanyard. So this is what we could put around our wrist, so we'll never lose our iPhones. And that's basically for the unboxing. We have this little instruction showing us how to use the lanyard and stuff like that, but that's literally what we get inside. Just pulling this out right here, we could see that we have a diagram showing us how to insert cards, because I think there's a little card slot inside this part. So we have the phone slot and also a slot for cards right in this little crease right here, which is kind of cool. So yeah, that's basically it for the case, guys. So now let's go ahead and put our little iPhone mini in for the first time, and we're supposed to see that nice red animation. Let's see what it looks like. Boom, there we go. So as you can see, the time changed to red, and that's gonna be the same thing across all the different models. It actually feels nice, but like, you can't really do anything with the phone. You can't really interact with the screen up top or anything like that. But yeah, that's the first look. The back is covered. The entire phone is covered. We could put the lanyard in. So I think you put this like that. First step. Then you push this part through the little slot. And then we snap this end onto this magnetic end. Oh, that's kind of neat. There we go. Now we could put this onto our bags so someone could steal it, or we could just put it onto our hands. I'm not sure, like, I think this is for mainly females, let's be real, or males, because, you know, some guys like that stuff as well. But I'm trying to shake the phone out. It's not going anywhere because of that MagSafe technology. But yeah, I think I'm fiddling around with this too much. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, I just have my iPhone casually around my hand. You know, I don't have any pockets, so gotta. Oh, someone's calling me. Hold on. Let me just slide my iPhone out. Ugh. Hello? All right, no, but for real, we just saw the unboxing of the red case, so the red leather sleeve case. Now let's go ahead and take a look at all the different color cases we have right here. So yeah, let's see some real speed. Boom, there we go. The lineup has been completed. Product red, Travis Scott brown. Actually, it's saddle brown, 100% sure. But we call it Travis Scott brown around here. We got the pink citrus and the Baltic blue. So now it's just time to show you guys what it looks like with all the different animations and the cool tips and tricks I have for you guys. But first, let's put on all these lanyard cables so we don't lose our phones, and we could put it around our wrist. So let's go again. Let's show some real speed. There we go. That was stressing. So we got all the lanyard cables on. Now we're actually just flexing like. So as I mentioned earlier guys, each time you put your iPhone into these sleeves, it shows you a cool little animation. So let's see what all of them looks like. So this is the saddle brown. Cool animation right here for the time. You see we get that nice saddle brown animation. Next up we have that pink citrus cool animation right here. This is what you're paying for guys. This is quality. And then we have the Baltic blue cool animation right here. You know, you can't go wrong with the Baltic blue. It's a very nice case. They should have had black. I don't know why they didn't have black, but yeah. And we can't, oh, if we press the screen it turns on. So by now, as you guys can see, this isn't your traditional Apple leather case. It fully covers the front and the back of the device. It even covers up the camera module at the back, but it has two small cutouts at the front right here. One showing the time, incoming calls, the battery status when charging, but that's basically it. You can't see any other incoming calls like notifications or iMessage or Instagram DMs. You can't even answer calls when the phone is in the case. I'm not sure if it has a defect or something, because why would they have an earpiece cutout up here if you can't really answer calls? So yes guys, let me show you what happened if I'm trying to receive a call. So for example, let's say our iPhone is in here and we receive a call. I literally can't do anything to answer the phone. So alright, I'm getting a call right now from my friend Vision Schmeek. There's no way to answer it. I can't tap. I can't put it on my ears. There's nothing. If I put it on my ears, nothing happens. There's like no, I can't do anything. I have to take the phone out the case, then go ahead and answer the call. Yo. What's the moves? I'm gonna put this back into the case and see if the call still works. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back in the case. Oh, now I could talk. Yo, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Hello, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Sick. Alright, so that works at least. Alright, so I was kind of wrong. From my little experiment, we could see that the top cutout actually works. But if you're trying to get a call, if you're getting a call, you have to take your phone out, answer the call, then put your phone back in to start talking. Like, how does that really make any sense? And let's see if we could actually make a call when the phone is in the case. Hey Siri. We can't even activate Siri. Hey Siri.
Sorry, I can't help you with that. You can change it in the home app on your iPhone.
So the Siri that was talking was actually my HomePod behind me right here. So, I mean, it's kind of weird that we can't really make calls. They should have added like an animation when we get a call. We could just swipe and then answer the call instead of taking the phone out, then answering the call. Well, I guess this is a case that tries to not let you use the phone as much. Now, you can also access your phone when you take off the case. The case doesn't charge your phone or anything. It's just like an expensive wallet to put your phone in. And at this point, your phone is basically like money. Like you just put in money in there as well. So I say it's an expensive wallet because there's actually a card slot that I mentioned before that could hold up to 3 cards if you slide them into this little part that we have right here. I tried to fit 3 of my cards in here. It will be a little bit tight, so I'd recommend you guys to go like maybe 2 cards and 1 gift card. Any embossed card with numbers on it, it won't really fit well. Honestly, there's not much issues with the case. It's just that it lacks a lot of functionality. I'm not sure if they should have, I don't know who it's for. I could see a lot of moms using this case, especially if they only use their phone when they're at work. I don't know, hikers, I really don't know who it's for. Like, I'm trying to figure out who this case is for. If you guys know, let me know down below in the comments. The only downfalls of this case is that you can't really use it when the case is inside. It's super expensive at $130. I think $129 or $130, something like that. Also, you can't really answer calls when the call is coming in. You have to take the phone out, then answer the call, which kind of sucks. And my friend also said the audio quality sounds muffled when the phone is inside the case. And actually, this is exactly what he said. Wait, what you just said?
When I called you, the audio sounded real muffled. I could barely hear you.
What do you think I was talking to?
I don't know. It sounded like he was talking under a pillow or something.
I was using this, the Apple case.
Just drop.
Leather case, yeah, it's honestly terrible. Like, just watch my video on it. I'm gonna post it soon. But yeah, all right, peace, bro. But yeah, that's basically my review of these Apple leather sleeve cases. There's not much to say about them. This video is mainly more focusing on how the different colors look, because I think you guys always are interested in to see what the different colors look like. There's not much functionality. As I said before, if you're getting calls, you can't really do anything. I'm not sure if they will roll out a software update to fix that, because as I said before, you have a cutout for the speakers so you could hear when you're talking, and that would be so pointless not to be able to function or to interact with the phone while it's in the case of some sort. We need some notifications or something, Apple. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite color is. Was it the pink citrus? Was it the Travis Scott brown? Was it the product red? Or was it the Baltic blue? As always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.